It's time for Viacom and Friends. We're gonna have so much fun. Friendly Viacom and Friends. There's so many things to do on our show. Friendly Viacom and Friends. Friendly Viacom has so much to do on his very own show. Friendly Viacom and Friends.
Friendly Viacom and Friends presents The Earthquake. Also, it's great to be back as a narrator again. Anyways, today seems like a quiet day in Friendly Viacom's front yard. Let's see what PBS Kids is up to.
What a nice day. I wonder what I should do.
After the earthquake stopped.
Guys, I think it might be over. Wait, where's Yellow Dot? Oh no! She's trapped under the blocks. Oh no. Guys, we had to get Yellow Dot up and build this tower. Rebuild this tower, sorry. Alright, quick, everybody get her up. After they got her up and after they rebuilt the tower. We did it! We got Yellow Dot out of the blocks and our tower is back to normal. I couldn't breathe under there. Why did that earthquake start? Well, sometimes we get earthquakes without warnings. They just like strike out of nowhere. I hope this doesn't happen again tomorrow. Yeah, I hope so too. But we learned our earthquake preparedness drills just like we did at school. Yeah. Have you ever been in an earthquake before? Really? Were you scared? Yeah. Sometimes earthquakes could be very scary. But if you learn your earthquake preparedness at school or practice at home, then you'll survive an earthquake easily. Yep. Anyways, come on guys. Let's go inside. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hello, I'm Friendly Viacom, and welcome to our singing song from Friendly Viacom, and that is me. And I want to show you my friends on Facebook and E1 and WNET, KG and Traffic Light, and don't forget Sabella Dern and WGBH and Family Channel. You got Black CBS, and BBC Kids. PBS Kids and PBS Kids Go. That was all I got. But don't forget Green Teletoon and Tropezium. TPT and Honda. And Target 2. And DirecTV and Netherlands Flag. And that's all of my friends. Me and all of my friends, I like to sing in this song. So with all of my friends, we're going to have a good time. Right, guys? That's right. Yes, we will. Friendly Viacom, TPT, Target and Honda, Retail 2, Netherlands Flag, Trapezium and Black CBSI, BBC Kids, Family, Sabella Durham, WNET, Facebook E1, WGBH, Traffic Light, PBS Kids Go, Pagey and Direct TV. That's all of my friends, and this is gonna mark the end of our song. So come join us in Friendly Viacom and Friends. Yeah, woohoo, yeah.